Hello everyone, it's Ray, and I just wanted to share with you this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Lip Paints mini collection that I got from Ulta, and do some swatches on darker skin for everyone. So if you're curious about the swatches, stay tuned. Okay everyone, so those are all the swatches. It took me about 20 minutes to do all that, but I think it was worth it because sometimes it's hard to picture what something will look like on darker skin since we might not see it in the commercials or on in other like advertisements and stuff. So I want you to tell me which one was your favorite. I definitely have a few favorites, but I definitely want you to comment below and tell me which one you like the most. Remember to like and subscribe and check out my social media pages in the description box below. And as always, I appreciate you watching and I hope you have a great day and Happy New Year. See you soon.